As we've talked about a lot tonight, the climate is in crisis and we need bold action now. What would be your theory of change on getting real climate action that prioritizes environmental justice in Vermont? And what will it take to get the policies we need?
Thank you, Allie. Mr. Madden, you're up first.
Hi, Allie. My theory of change is that if we understand and acknowledge our problems at a root cause level, then we can begin to act accordingly. A root cause of our sustainability crisis is never-ending economic growth, which is built into a monetary system that is based on interest-bearing debt. And the only way to do a difficult and scary thing like changing our economic system, short of the catastrophe that would force us to, is through a renaissance of our collective problem solving, a rebirth of democracy so that we can be more multi-dimensional problem solvers together. And my theory of change is that if you are not talking about transforming our economy and rebirthing democracy, then you are peddling band-aids. And the way to inspire a rebirth of democracy is to first dispel the fairy tale that the two-party system is willing to or able to fix itself. And the definition of insanity is trying the same thing over and over and expecting different results. And so therefore the sane thing to do is to elect the person who has a vision for government that can actually solve enormous and complex problems. And that's what I focus on.
Thank you, Mr. Madden. Ms. Rom Hinsdale.
So I consider my theory of change really